Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's sure to elevate your aerial photography and videography game, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo. We found this amazing drone online and have included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DJI Mini 5 Pro? This compact drone is designed for both enthusiasts and professionals who want to capture stunning aerial footage without the hassle of larger, bulkier drones. Weighing in as an ultra-light, palm-sized device, it's incredibly portable and easily folds to fit in your pocket. But don't let its size fool you, this drone packs a punch with some impressive features geared toward creating high-quality content. First up, let's talk about the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. This means your videos will be rich in detail and vibrant in color, making your footage pop with life. Whether you're shooting a scenic landscape or a fast-paced sporting event, the Mini 5 Pro delivers exceptional clarity. One of the standout features is its flexible gimbal system, which allows for true vertical filming and a remarkable 225-degree roll rotation. This means you can get creative with your shots, capturing unique angles that stand out from the crowd. If you're a content creator looking to add a fresh perspective to your videos, this feature will be a game changer. Safety is also a top priority with the Mini 5 Pro. It comes equipped with Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which uses forward-facing LiDAR and vision sensors to detect obstacles in all directions. This is especially useful for night flights or when you're navigating complex environments. Plus, the upgraded Active Track 360 degrees feature ensures that your subjects stay in focus, even as they move. Whether you're filming a friend cycling or capturing a pet in action, this drone adapts to keep your shots steady and sharp. Another significant advantage of the Mini 5 Pro is its extended battery life. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you can enjoy up to 52 minutes of flight time on each battery. And if you're planning a longer shooting session, this combo includes 3 batteries, allowing for uninterrupted flying. The fast charging capability lets you power up all 3 batteries in about 193 minutes, so you won't be waiting around for long. Now, who is this drone suitable for? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is perfect for a range of users, from hobbyists who want to document their adventures to professional filmmakers looking for a portable solution that doesn't compromise on quality. If you're into travel vlogging, nature photography, or even real estate marketing, this drone will meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Practical use cases for the Mini 5 Pro are virtually endless. Imagine capturing breathtaking sunrise shots over a mountain range, or creating stunning promotional videos for your business. It's also great for family gatherings and events, ensuring you can document those special moments from a unique perspective. Plus, the included 12-month care plan covering accidental damage and liquid ingress gives you peace of mind while you explore the skies. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo is a powerful, versatile drone that caters to both amateurs and professionals alike. With its compact design, high-quality camera, and safety features, it unlocks a world of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,